Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm obsessed with today's look. You know that I'm obsessed with any look that's gonna make my eyes look sexy and feline, and a halo eye. I mean, come on. I was like the self-proclaimed queen of halo eyes. And my mom sent me this video on Instagram and the look was amazing, beautiful. So I will link it down below what I was inspired by to create this look today. So if you want to stick around to see how I created this, then just keep on watching. I'm going into the Sigma Ivy eyeshadow palette. The first shade I'm going into is Mead. Starting with my E27 detail blending brush, I'm picking up a little bit of the shadow first just to start mapping out where I'm going to be applying that shape. So I'm going from kind of the center of my eyelid and then going up towards the tail of my brow, not obviously to the tail of my brow, and just creating kind of like a slanted winged out eyeshadow shape. I'm now just going to start building that up. So everything is going this way, kind of out towards the tail of my brow and my temple to really give me that nice feline cat eye shape. And now for the inner part, I'm doing the same thing, bringing everything towards the tail of my brow. So I'm applying it just a little bit on my lid. So as I'm applying this through my crease, I'm using just the tip of the brush and I'm applying that and stopping it halfway. So I want this entire section to be empty. Everything is going to be slanting like I mentioned again. So the center will be going this way, the outer corner and inner corner. Now just start blending this out. And then in here. And then lightly just connecting it. Very, very lightly. I'm now going into Bourbon. And now we're going to start deepening this up and applying this shadow in that same shape. And now let's do the same thing on the inner corner. I'm using a really, really light hand and stopping it right there. Now you can just wipe off the brush. I just have a paper towel here that I wiped the brush off and just lightly start feathering this out, concentrating just on this inner part and then on this outer part. So it doesn't really look like it's going to come together, but trust me, once we apply the center shadow, it really comes together and pulls everything in, and it just looks super pretty and it gives your eyes that really nice, sexy cat eye. Now I'm just going to pick up a little bit of Mead on my E38 diffuse crease brush and just blend the edge of this shadow and then the edge of this inner part of my crease. And then you can just feather this in. Don't worry if it starts to connect a little bit. We are going to be cleaning that up with a little bit of an eye base. Before we finish off the top, I'm just going to finish my lower lash line, going in with Mead and my E54 medium sweeper brush and just sweeping that along my lash line. And then going in with Bourbon on my E15 flat definer brush and bringing that, stopping that right about here, not going in all the way to the inner corner. It's going to help really elongate the eyes a little bit more. And then just smoke that out. For my base, I'm going to the Beauty Creations Color Base Primer in Ballerina Girl. I'm now going to apply this base in the center of my lid and slanting that upward. I'm now picking up Inspire. And then once again with my Sigma F70 concealer brush, I'm going to start applying the shadow over top of the base. And going into my crease. Now going into Macaroon. And to just really brighten up that shadow and add a nice highlight, I'm applying this over top. I'm going to pick up Clove. With my Sigma E06 wing liner brush, I'm going to extend the inner corner. I'm just going to add a little bit of dimension to my outer corner. For liner, I'm going into the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil in Demolition. I'm going to line my upper waterline and then line my lower waterline. I'm going to apply mascara and false lashes, and I'm going to Tati Lashes in TL19. And that's the eye look done. So you could really do any lip combination with this look, but I'm going to keep it nude just because I'm obsessed with the eye look and I really don't want to take the concentration away from my eyes. So I'm going into my itty bitty trusty NYX lip pencil in Nude Truffle. I love this shade Clearly. I'm going to outline my lips and then shade in the corners a little bit just to make them look a little bit fuller. And now for lipstick, I'm going to go into the Huda Beauty Demi Matte Cream Lipstick in Day Slayer. And that is it. This is the completed look of my brown halo smoky cat eye. I hope that you enjoyed. I'm obsessed with this technique. I feel like I want to do this with every shade now. I love it so much. This is the first time I've ever done a technique like this, and I can't stop looking in the mirror. I'm obsessed. I love how it made my eyes look super cat eye, and it wasn't as difficult as I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be really hard to achieve. It just took a little bit of time, and I'm obsessed with how it turned out. And this lip combo, when I applied the lipstick, I was in shock. It felt so nice going on. I'm pretty sure I've used it already, but I just haven't used it in a while. And I pulled it back out of my collection, and I'm obsessed with it. It looks so nice. My lips don't feel dry. It just feels like butter on my lips. So don't forget to follow me on both my Instagrams. I now have 2 Instagrams, one for my press-on nails and one for makeup. I feel like I just have to keep saying it. They will be linked down below, along with all the products that I used today, and my brush set with Sigma that I used to create this look will be listed down below for you to find everything easier. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I upload, and I think that should be it. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!